like to play an alphabet game when we're on our walks. So you're just trying to name something beginning of each letter of the alphabet that you see. You have to be able to see it. If the other person says it first, you can't then say it again. Other rules include, for example, if you say tree, you're taking out all trees. So you're better off saying ash, beech, oak, unless you do want to risk taking out all future options. So that's what we're going to do today, and this is going to be our coastal edition. And obviously first is Ed wins.